Bangladesh's five-time Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina fleeing from her homeland, forced to leave and violent protest in her country. Sheikh Hasina has faced massive protest over the controversial quota system that has snowballed into a Quit Hasina movement. Hasina has now resigned and fled from Dhaka, an abrupt and controversial end to her rule in Bangladesh. The 76-year-old first became Prime Minister in 1996 and served for a term till 2001. She was re-elected to office in 2009, serving 5 terms overall. Back in 1996, as the Awami League leader, Hasina led a coalition government since they fell 5 seats short of a majority. But after 2001, when she lost the election, she faced turbulent times, even being banned in 2007 from entering Bangladesh amid a state of emergency. She defied the ban and touched down in Dhaka from UK to be immediately arrested. The support for Hasina was enormous by now, and in 2009, she was sworn in again as Prime Minister, ending 2 years of rule by an army-backed interim government. Her third term as Prime Minister was controversial as Hasina was accused of winning a not-so-fair election in 2013. Hasina's party rolled into victory in an election that was boycotted by the main opposition party and was marred by deadly unrest. It was in her third term that Hasina garnered international praise for sheltering Rohingya refugees from Myanmar.
We want that they should put more pressure to Myanmar government so that they take them back.
In 2019, Prime Minister Hasina returned to power when her Awami League won 288 of the 300 parliamentary seats. But again, an election that faced endless scrutiny for not providing a level playing ground for the opposition. And earlier this year, Hasina returned for her 4th consecutive term, her 5th term overall as Prime Minister of Bangladesh that has now come to an end abruptly. Hasina chose to so far call the protest as motivated, but now has been forced to bow down to their demands.
When arson terrorism started, the protesting students said they were not involved in it. And we condemn it. We do not want it. When they pulled off from the protest, I deployed the army only then. I did not do it before that. Many want to tell me about deploying the army against the students. I was involved in student politics starting from Dhaka University. I know what the army could do.
In the past 15 years, Hasina has been credited with turning around Bangladesh's economy while winning international praise for sheltering Rohingya Muslims and turning around India-Bangladesh ties. But for now, it looks like it's the end of the road for the 5-time Prime Minister.